Welcome back to the email marketing video series. So in this video first, we would be learning how to make an autoresponder. Before this video, I have already created a video where we have learned how to create a form and how to embed the form in the website. So I'm expecting you all have gone through that video first and then you are watching this video. If not, then I would say first go and watch the video. And even you can find the same video on the link on my right hand side top. And first you watch the complete video, then it would be better you can understand this video properly. Now in this video we'll learn how to create an autoresponder. Before going to the autoresponder, let us understand what is an autoresponder. An autoresponder is a system or a mail that goes automatically whenever the GetResponse platform receives any email ID through any way. The different sources of receiving the email IDs may be with the help of landing page, a form or a pop-up form or any other way. Or we can even manually insert the email ID. So out in our case, we had a form that we have embedded in a page. So if anyone will enter the email ID out there, that person will get an email if we create an autoresponder. So in order to create that system, let's click on this create autoresponder. Now we will be creating it by myself. Now the first thing that we need to do is we need to select the day. The first thing which is coming on day 0. Day 0 means the same day when anyone would be registering on your form. So the moment he registers on your form, that person will get the email ID. So this is one of my registered email ID through which I created this video. So in your case, it would be appearing the same email ID through which you have created the account on the GetResponse. Next is the subject line. Subject line, I'm pretty sure you must be aware about what are the subject line and what are the different types of subject line. In case if you're having any doubts in terms of subject line, you can check out a previous video of mine where I've explained the different types of subject line and its usage. The link of the same video is appearing on the right hand side top of the screen. Now imagine I need to write hi, and after this I need a personalization, that is I need a user's name. So I'll click on this logo where I've written hi. Can you see this icon? I'll click on this icon and I can select many things from here. So as of now I'll select the name. The name. I need to create a space again, hi and name. So in whichever email ID it will land, it will automatically pick up the name of the user. Hi name. How are you? You can even add emojis out here on your subject line. Like this. Now once I've created the subject line, I can go and create the newsletter. So newsletter means the email that a user will receive. So in order to create a newsletter, simply click on this design message. And there are a lot of templates which are already this platform is having. You can choose any one of the template from the series of templates. For this video, suppose I would like this template that I want to use. I just simply click on use template and then the template will appear in front of me. Now in case that I want, like the subject line, unlock the full potential of your online education business. After business, I want the name of the users to appear out here after business. So I've clicked on this section, and the moment I've clicked on this section, on the top can you see here the same icon is appearing that was appearing in the headline section where we were trying to create the subject line. So I'll click on this. I can again get the name tab. Here's the name. Can you see unlock your full business, and this is the name. So in whichever email ID or whichever email it will add, it will pick up automatically the name of that person. So this I've done. Right now I'm not customizing anything, but in case if I need to add anything, I can simply click back from here, and these are so many options which is present out here. Not only this, apart from this, even I'm having some e-commerce elements that I can add out here, and even I can add some courses if I'm having some existing courses, or some other blocks that if I need to enter. If I need to enter in sections, you can create multiple columns and sections, something like this. So you can try to make a very good newsletter for your client or for anyone whom you're sending this email. Once we have completely designed the email that we need to send, I just simply need to click next. So it means my newsletter is ready. So on day 0, at the same time of the sign up, on all these dates, with this subject line and this email ID, my autoresponder day 0 is set. I'll just simply click on save and publish, and my autoresponder is ready. Now if anyone will enter the email ID on the form that I've created on the website, that person will receive the newsletter, the autoresponder that I have created just now. So this is how we do the complete automation part of the email ID. Once you trigger the email, even you can track how the autoresponder or how your emails are performing, even having complete statistics of the same. Stay tuned for more videos, updates on digital marketing. Thank you so much.